Hi everybody. In an upcoming video, I'm going to explore the concept of AI mentors. How can we use AI to help us learn? However, before discussing AI's role in mentoring, it's crucial to define what effective mentoring looks like between individuals. Mentoring must happen naturally. Mentors cannot be assigned. Mentoring happens without acknowledgement. One-on-one mentoring is what I value most, though it's a rare occurrence. Teaching and learning are not the right words to describe this growth. I never found a mentor until my mid-20s. Without that, I fear what would have become of me, whether I would have even stayed alive. Decades later, that person still remains a part of me and helped shape the person I became. In my midlife, I met another who over a period of years also influenced me greatly. With both, neither of us ever used the term mentor. Out of the process formed a close friendship. I want to view myself as one who passes on that care and fondness to those receptive to growing with me. But that's not always who I am. Two people form a natural connection, an enduring connection. Over time, the roles shift. The mentee becomes mentor to the elder, and the younger passes on the favor to select others in a chain that values the nurturing of life more than rewards. Mentoring is less about how to learn and what to learn, but more importantly about how to grow old and how to grow younger. The mentor learns how to enjoy the life that he thought was already gone from his grasp. Without their realization, I learn more from those much younger than me. Too often, the path is blocked by circumstance and misfortune beyond our control. Persevere through the dark forest with one step in front of another. By chance, not fate, you might find yourself in a clear meadow. Cherish the opportunity where another has opened mind and life. Find in yourself to seek that connection. The vulnerability of opening yourself to one person, one specific person, is more difficult than serving as a guide. When a true connection is found, you know each of you will hold it forever, though months, years may pass without speaking. What I have learned is that those connected, individualized moments of nurture growth is where life resides.